Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark 4.4.2 on Ubuntu 24.04. First open any web browser, also open terminal, go to Wireshark official website, that is wireshark.org. Hit enter. Click on download. See here we don't have the Wireshark installer for Linux. Okay. Now run the sudo add apt repository, then ppa Wireshark -dev, then give the stable, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Okay, now update the packages, sudo apt update, hit enter, all done. Now install the Wireshark, sudo apt get install Wireshark, hit enter, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed Wireshark. Let us verify the Wireshark is installed or not. Click on show applications, then search for Wireshark. See here we have the Wireshark application. Click on it. Also see here we have installed Wireshark 4.4. Let us verify the version. Click on help, about Wireshark. See here we have installed Wireshark 4.4. Close it. Okay, and see here the latest stable release is also 4.4.2. Okay, if you want to capture packets, you have to click on start capturing packets. Okay, so you can practice them. So in this video we have successfully installed Wireshark 4.4.2 stable version on Ubuntu 24.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.